So, dear viewers, this is my 16th episode. In this episode, I have discussed about the nominative cases in relation to articles masculine gender with the help of sentences. Now, let us start. So, dear viewers, in the previous lesson, I have discussed about possessive, indefinite, negative, demonstrative articles. Viewers, please revise the tables discussed in episode 14 and 15. Today, I shall discuss about the application of article with sentences. Now, let us revise the golden rules. Masculine, neuter, feminine, plural. Nominative, der, das, die. Accusative, den, das, die. Dative, dem, der, den. Genitive, des, der, der. Now let us start. Today I will discuss a masculine noun with the help of sentences. Masculine noun, nominative. Der Freund is a masculine noun, singular, plural. Der Freund, die Freunde. The friend, the friends. Here, boyfriend. Ich means I. Mein Freund, plural, meine Freunde. Mein Freund, my friend, singular, or my single friend. Meine Freunde, my friends. Mein Freund ist freundlich. My friend is friendly. Meine Freunde sind freundlich. My friends are friendly. Now please revise the sein verb discussed in a previous episode. Ich bin, du bist, sie ist. Wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, sie sind. Du means you. Say informal. Tom, du. Tom, dein Freund, deine Freunde. Your friend, singular. Deine Freunde, your friends. Tom, dein Freund ist freundlich. Tom, your friend is friendly. Tom, deine Freunde sind freundlich. Tom, your friends are friendly. Now, means he. Sein Freund, seine Freunde. Means he and possessive pronoun is his. Das ist John Müller. Sein Freund ist freundlich. That is John Miller. Sein Freund, his friend is friendly. Seine Freunde sind freundlich. That is the friend of Mr. Müller, the friends of Mr. Müller. Seine Freunde sind freundlich. His friends are friendly. Now she, that is ihr Freund, ihre Freunde. Singular, plural, her. Das ist Frau Müller. Means that is Mrs. Miller. Ihr Freund ist freundlich. Her friend, singular, is friendly. Ihre Freunde sind freundlich. Her friends are friendly. Now es means a neuter gender. Sein Freund, seine Freunde. Here sein is its neuter gender. I am giving an example. Das Mädchen, the girl, is a neuter gender. Das ist Erika. She is a girl. In German, it will be written, that is Erika. Es ist ein Mädchen. So, Erika's friend, sein Freund, ist klug. So I repeat, das ist Erika. That is Erika. That is a girl's name without any surname. She is a girl. In German it will be written Es ist ein Mädchen. Here is a conception. Sein Freund, that is its friend. That is Erika's boyfriend, ist klug. Klug means clever. Das ist Erika. Seine Freunde sind klug. That is Erika. Its friends are clever, klug. Where? Where means this is a personal pronoun and the possessive pronoun will be unser Freund, unsere Freunde. That is our. Unser Freund ist klug. Singular. Our friend is clever. Unsere Freunde sind klug. Our friends are clever. Ihr means you all, say Tom and John. Informal. Euer Freund, eure Freunde. Say Tom and John. Euer Freund ist klug. Tom and John, yours friends ist klug. A singular friend. That is one friend. Eure Freunde sind klug. Tom and John, yours friend are klug. Yours friend are clever. Now it is a Z. Z means there. Ihr Freund, ihre Freunde. Ihr Freund ist klug. Their friend is clever. Singular friend. Ihre Freunde sind klug. Their friend are clever. Now here is the gross Z, that is formal. So Mr. Herr Müller, Ihr Freund, ihre Freunde. The application will be sent. Now singular. Herr Müller, Ihr Freund ist sportlich. That is, Mr. Müller, your friend is athlete. Ihre Freunde sind sportlich. That is, Mr. Müller, your friends are sportlich. Now ein Freund, that is indefinite article, definite, ein Freund. Ein Freund is sportlich, definite article. Ein Freund is sportlich. Here is no plural. Now, negative article. Kein Freund, keine Freunde. Kein Freund ist feindlich. That is, no friend is enemy. Keine Freunde sind feindlich. That is, no friends are enemy. Now demonstrative article. Dieser Freund, diese Freunde. This friend, these friends. Dieser Freund ist freundlich. This friend is friendly. Diese Freunde sind freundlich. These friends are friendly. Now here is a demonstrative article. Welcher Freund, that is which friend. Welche Freunde, which friends. Welcher Freund ist feindlich. That is, which friend is enemy. Welche Freunde sind feindlich. Which friends are enemy. Now here are some general concepts. All nouns in German must be written in capital letter. Maybe in the beginning of any sentence or middle or anywhere written must be written in the capital letter. Here are some spelling conception in English and German. See, article. Now here is the article. Course, Kurs. Masculine, masculine. Communication, Kommunikation. Now, feminine, feminine. Accusative, accusative. In most cases, the alphabet C is replaced by K in German. This is very important for interpretation of German words. I will discuss in details in the upcoming episodes with example. Also, therefore, alles für heute, that is for today. In the next episode, I will discuss feminine and neuter nominative case with the help of sentences. Danke im Voraus. Thanks in advance. So dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon in the right side to get the upcoming videos. In the next episode, I will continue these nominative cases in relation to neuter gender and feminine gender with the help of sentences. Thank you.